Yo, I heard it's tough. I know it's tough. I know you sick and tired of going to work for that boss who don't appreciate you. You feel overworked and underpaid. You feel like you'll never be able to truly get paid for the value that you bring to the company, and you just sick and tired of it. You're tired of going to work all those hours a week just to have a little bit of money to get by, and sometimes not even enough money to pay all the bills. Trust me, I know what that feels like. Just 3 short months ago, I was facing a possible pay cut from my job, and I had to figure out a way to start making some extra money. It wasn't until I plugged into a proven system that showed me how to go out here and make money online that thing changed for me. If you want access to the program that I use to allow me to have these type of results, you're sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck, sick and tired of that boss, ready for a new life, or maybe you just want to do like me and travel and live full-time abroad, drop me a 1. I would absolutely love to give you information on a program that I'm following that's making all this happen for me. And remember, things in your life will never ever change if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.